Good morning class. Today we are going to learn how to make PDF of your notes. So before we start making the PDF, we need an app for it, and you can choose any PDF converter app, but I would suggest you to go for this one, JPG to PDF converter. So first of all, you have to download it from the Play Store. So go to Play Store and just type JPG to PDF converter. You will find many apps, but choose this one by Winnie software with 5 million plus downloads. Okay, I have already installed it. So after you install it, you open the app and then you will find a format similar to this. Now here you will see this page size. Okay, so you click here and you have to change the size. If you click it here, nothing is going to happen. So go in the right side corner, you will find all the sizes here. So go for your A4 size and you can go for portrait orientation. Alright. So once you go for this, then you can select your file, and for that you have to go to files. So it will open your gallery, and then from there you just choose the pictures serially. Okay, so page number 1, 2, 3, then I have page number 4, 5. Okay, so 5 pages are done. So go to done button and then you just press here convert to PDF. So now my PDF has been saved, alright, and I am going to open it using WPS Office. You can open it with anything you have in your phone. So as you can see here, I have the pages here. Now my PDF has been saved, but you can go back now, go to your WPS or whatever app you are using for opening the PDF, and then open files, PDF. Yeah, now just refresh it and you will find your latest PDF made here in the top one. So my PDF name right now is IMG2021. Okay, so I have to rename it. So just long press it and you will find rename. So remove all these names and now you write your name according to the format that is required for your exam. Suppose your name is Sanchita Das. Okay, then use under hyphen, okay, under slash, then your class, section, then your roll number. Suppose it is 23. So this exact format you have to put for your PDFs. Okay, then you press OK. Now yeah, so your PDF has been saved. That's all. So like this you are going to make your PDFs for your classes.